Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about visual inspection. Which of the following tools is commonly used in visual inspection of welds? A. X-ray machine. B. Ultrasonic transducer. C. Magnifying glass. D. Spectrometer. E. Thermal camera. The correct answer is C. Magnifying glass. What is the primary purpose of visual inspection in welding? A. To determine the chemical composition of the weld. B. To identify surface defects and discontinuities. C. To measure the internal temperature of the weld. D. To calculate the strength of the weld. A. To determine the weld's electrical conductivity. The correct answer is B. To identify surface defects and discontinuities. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the first step in performing a visual inspection of a weld? A. Apply penetrant. B. Clean the weld surface. Take X-ray images. D. Measure weld reinforcement. E. Polish the weld. The correct answer is B. Clean the weld surface. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.